Welcome back to Lemon Squirt. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. This is what you'll need: 90 grams of butter, 90 grams of white sugar, 90 grams of brown sugar, 120 grams of dark chocolate, 180 grams of self-raising flour, 1 egg, 5 ml of vanilla essence, and a pinch of salt. So let's get started. Cream the butter. With the sugars, the egg, and the vanilla essence. Stir in the chocolate chips, self-raising flour, and a pinch of salt. The dough is all mixed. Now we spoon it on a well-greased oven pan. Place tablespoon size of cookie dough on a well-greased pan. There we go. Now cook off the cookie dough at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. They're all done. Wait until they cool off and drink them with a nice glass of milk. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell button for more post notifications. See you soon. Bye.